So here we have two options for m. It's either even or odd, and we'll have to try both of these. So if m is even, in that case, f of m would be m times m plus 1. Now, if m is even, then m plus 1 would be odd, because even plus 1 is an odd number. So in that case, f of m plus 1 would be m plus 1 plus 3, because remember the input is n here. So if we apply that condition 8 times that, so that would be 8 times m plus 4 minus m times m plus 1 equal to 2. And I'll distribute that. Equal to 2. That becomes plus 7m. I'll move them to the other side. M squared minus 7m minus 30 equal to 0. And you'll see this factors to m minus 10m plus 3. Only positive value is m is 10. And that's the answer. Now, when I first did it, I started with this m being odd, in which case f of m would be m plus 3, and then f of m plus 1 would be replacing n with m plus 1, m plus 2, because that's the even condition. And then you plug it in, 8 times m plus 1, m plus 2, minus m plus 3 equal to 2. And you'll have to simplify this quadratic. I think when I did the work, unless there's a mistake, I ended up with something like that. And then when you looked at the discriminant, it doesn't give me an integer value. So clearly that's not what would take me to the answer. And that at that point, I switched to the other condition. So that's, I guess, a matter of luck. You're going to pick either one of these. And there's no way to know up front which one, or at least that's what I think, unless there's some other angle I'm missing. So this is how I approached it. The answer is 10.